Today, we're going to discuss our computation of our actual antenna dipole design. And we got the frequency tree, which is equals to 10 megahertz to 300 megahertz, and two directors. First, we're going to find the center frequency, which is the FC. And to get the FC, we're going to square root the minimum of the frequency times the maximum of the frequency given, which is 10 megahertz times 300 megahertz. And we're going to have 3000 megahertz, and the square root of that is 54.77225575 megahertz. And second, the wavelength, or the lambda, we're going to C divided by FC, which is 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meters per second over 54.77225575 times 10 raised to the power of 6 hertz, which is equals to 5.477225575 meters. And to have the actual computation, we're going to multiply it to times 0.94, which is lambda is equals to 5.148592041 meters. Third, the length of the driven element, or the LDE. LDE is equals to lambda over 2, or divided by 2. So LDE is equals to 5.148592041 meters divided by 2. And we're going to have 2.574296021 meters. And the third one, which is shown right here, the length of the directors, the LD1 and the LD2. LD1 is equals to LD2 equals to 0.95 times the length of driven element, and which is 2.574296021 meters. And we're going to have LD1 is equals to LD2 is equals to 2.445581219 meters. And the next one is the length of the reflector, which is the LR. We're going to multiply the LDE, or the length of driven element, to 1.05. And the length of driven element is 2.574296021 meters. And we're going to multiply it to 1.05. And we're going to have that equals of 2.703010821 meters.
The continuation of our dipole antenna design, spacing from the reflector to the driven element of SR to driven element equals 0.15 lambda. 0.15 lambda times 5.148592041 meters. And the answer is 0.7722888062 meters. Spacing from driven element to directors, or S driven elements to director. 0.10 lambda times 5.148592041 meters. And the answer is 0.514859241 meters. Spacing between directors, or S director 1 to director 2. 0.51485922041 meters divided by 2, and the answer is 2.574296021 meters. Lastly is the length of boom. LB is equals to SR2DE plus SDE 2D1 plus SD1 2D2 plus 0.0508 meters. Length of boom equals 0.7722888062 meters plus 0.51485922041 meters plus 2.574296021 meters plus 0.0508 meters. And the answer is 3.912244031 meters. And this is the actual design of our antenna dipole design. Thank you.